Hi guys, we're here live doing a Wikicamps giveaway. We have 5 apps to give away today.
So thank you to everyone that entered on the Facebook page. There was a lot of really good looking spots that hopefully we can get to one day when we do a bigger trip or something like that.
Yep.
So Steph's cut up all bits of paper with everyone's name on it and put it into 2 hats. So I'll draw out 2 iOS winners and then she'll draw out the 3 Android winners. So there's just a heap of names all cut up in here. So I'll draw it out.
Yep.
Alright.
First winner
Is Helen Gosper.
Congratulations, Helen.
Congratulations. And second winner is Kelly Fleming Kenny.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
And now we're going to do the Android. We've got 3 of those to give away, so good luck to all of you guys. First winner, Owen and Sue Plain. Congratulations. Second winner is Laurie Lawrenson. Congratulations. And the third, Kevin Ace. Congratulations to everyone that won.
Congratulations, guys.
So we'll be sending you out a message and I'll give you a code for your apps and then you can just go to the App Store and download those for free.
Cool. Alright, so thanks again to everyone that entered. We're gonna probably do another giveaway soon on a different product that we're using. We'll just organise when that's going to be and then put it up on the page or on one of our videos.
Yep, so thanks so much for tuning in and we'll see you in the next video.
Thanks.
Bye guys.